Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can save your video on TikTok without posting it as a draft. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the TikTok app and let's create a brand new post. Click on the plus sign in the lower center of the screen. Then you want to select the picture that you want to upload. This is going to be our picture. And now this is going to be our content over here guys. As usual, you can add all these functions. Draft video 1. So cool, right? Now what you want to do over here guys is you want to click next. You want to put the title. You want to prepare everything as usual, because when you save it as a draft, then you want to go back later on and decide to publish it. You cannot simply edit it, right? So this is why you want to make sure everything is done right now. So this will help you later and will make your job much easier. Okay, done with hashtags, done with this, then done with description, location. So the last function that you want to pay very close attention over here guys is that you want to come all the way to the bottom of the page and to click on the left button, to the draft button instead of the post. Click on drafts, and now this post was saved as a draft. Now you probably wonder, but where is the post right now? You gotta go back to your profile, and if I refresh, you will see on the left we have the draft video over here with the beautiful title Draft Video 1. That's so cool. Now guys, let's click on it, and you have two options. The first option is you wanna proceed and publish the video. How we're gonna go about it? You wanna click on it, click next, and click post. Very easy, very simple. Now the second option is, let's say you change your mind. Now you want to delete the video, you don't want to publish it. You want to click on the upper right corner, click on select, then click on the video or picture, and then click delete on the lower center of the screen. This is how you can save the video as a draft, where is the draft located, and how to delete the draft. For more videos like this guys, like this video and subscribe to the channel.